Playing center number 37, J.R. King.
Madami.
And for Valenzuela, they have no intention of missing out on the playoffs this year.
Oo. And we know with the addition of J.R. Kinyan in the lineup, parang so basta.
This play of the game is brought to you by Buenas. That has been one of Kinyahan from the outside, swishes it through. Welcome to the MPBL, Mr. J. Their lead. This three-point shot is brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. Two hands in your face. Why not? J.R. Kinyan, welcome to the
Muna. Before their biggest was
Lanterns. That's the reason why Valenzuela has J.R. Kinyan. Manila will soon have
Kasi si Kong Eric kasi, he was there. He was not held. So he was able to see yung kung ano yung talaga yun.
two, but then Batang Sampaloc really using a big third quarter to be able to secure that victory in their favor as J.R. Kinyahan converts by Valenzuela is one, and this is going to be a long season and we cannot judge yet how the Northern Division. As you take a look at that last sequence, there you see, oh, it was not J.R. Kinyan, it was Armenion actually who back on the Bataan bench. I think Coach Rene Baina will be ball pa rin ang mangyayari dito, and the possession arrow points to the side of Valenzuela.
Oo, alam mo yun, talagang our
Lore, an offensive rebound there as he is featured here in our Buenas play of the game.
Oo.
Here in the MPBL day of action.
Oo, and again, Bataan shooting the ball well compared to...
Sa kabila naman, it's J.R. Kinyahan leading the way for Valenzuela with 9. He's backstopped by Dennis Santos, Andre Armenion, and Chris De Chav.
yung hustle niya eh.
And here he is once again, 3-point. A 12-4 run here in the third quarter. Advantage Valenzuela.
Graceful ba?
Actually, yeah, that could be the case. He really is here on the bench. Still winless Muntinlupa. Quarter scoring on your screens. Valenzuela with back-to-back 24-point quarters. Def De La Cruz gets 3 points more to his name.
Oo, you know that you can give it to Oren.
And, you know, forgive me, Coach. I hate to use it, but I feel like I do has he made his way to the basket. Look at this right here. He wanted to jab that home over Jamil Gabawan.
Oo.
From behind by Katakutan. He has Santos on the right, De La Cruz on the left. De La Cruz will score.
Val City, if they can, itong risers to join, maybe.
sabi niya, he wasn't like this back then. He used to make a lot of bad and hasty decisions too. Pero yan daw siguro ang lamang ng experience.
Jab. Lead down to just 9 here for Valenzuela. And then it's Santos on the other side. Win of the season. Take a look at this. Torado finding Dante Baguio. That's for safety. Pero sa kabilang panig naman, Dennis Santos also rising of the season against the Manila Batang Sampaloc minus in Katakutan. Getting into a heated encounter after that shot.
Na pinag-uusapan natin eh. So let's see this, the replay.
Katakutan getting by Torado on the cross, and then after that shot attempt, had that pull down on Mitchell Minus, which really caused, see that again, great move on that in-out and cross, but it was that wraparound, sa leeg pa kasi lalo eh.
Oh.
Protect himself, and Katakutan making that second motion. And, well, he's trying to say that he should have 2 free throws because it was a shot attempt.
Oo.
In his basketball career, I'm pretty sure this is his MPBL career high.
Oo naman. And I think kay 2 and 2 nung yung time na yun.
25 puntos na sa laro.
Both teams are
This game practically in the bag para sa Valenzuela, but Valenzuela bouncing back from a top low.